Guys, it's Temi Ajiboye here, and I want to introduce you to my Udemy course. It's titled Dart Essentials from Novice to Proficient Developers. I created this course to help beginners learn Dart before they become Flutter developers. Because over time, as a technical lead, I've discovered that people don't really understand Dart programming. And most people just jump into Flutter development without learning the language behind this incredible framework called Flutter, which is why I decided to create this course. Over 5 total hours to introduce you to Dart programming. And it's basically going to take you from a novice to proficient developer. So let's look into a couple of interesting things you're going to find when you enroll to this course. You can see over here we have, I introduce you to Dart programming, and I take you into variables. We're going to look at operators in Dart, functions in Dart, all up to records and pattern, classes and objects, inheritance, abstractions, mixins, async programming. And the beauty of this thing is once you take my course, you become my student, and you get to get huge discount on my upcoming Flutter course, where I teach 10 apps. We are going to build it from scratch, from zero to hero. And you're going to learn a lot of things into it. So I invite you to take this course, Flutter Development Programming, and you are going to see how it's going to help you become a better Flutter developer. And if you are a beginner, can take this course, and then before you jump into Flutter, highly recommend it. So see you on the inside.